Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use collections in Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. Microsoft Edge Collections is a feature that allows the user to save and organize web pages, images, text, and notes all in one place. So let's start by opening our Microsoft Edge, and on the top right corner, just click on this icon right here. And then click Start New Collection. And then label your collection however you want. I'm going to name this with, for example, my dog collection. And then let's say that I found this really cool website that talks about foods that my dog can and cannot eat. So I'm going to add it to my collection by clicking on Add Current Page. And then let's say that I found this really cute image of a dog that resembles my own dog so much, and I want to add it to my own collection. So I'm just going to drag it like this, and then it will be added to my collection. You can also add links to your collection the same way by dragging it like we did with the image. And then you can also add text like this. So let's highlight the text and then let's drag it, and then it will automatically be added to our collection. You can also add a note by clicking on this icon right here. Click on Add Note, and then you can type in anything like, for example, I'm going to type in this. Then with the three-dot icon next to it, you can export your collection to different applications. And then you can also click on Copy All button to easily copy and paste your whole collection to another application. And you can also click on Open All, and it will open all the tabs you have in your collection. And that is a very quick guide of how to use Microsoft Edge Collections. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.